Good morning, students. Welcome to your online computer class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter. That is Chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Introduction to MS Word 2010. Let's start, and please open your book. Children, please open page number 38 of your computer books. Let's start. Today's first topic will be word processing software. We will know what is word processing software and some examples. I will read the chapter and I will discuss it. Children, when you open a computer, you can find many programs on it. Some of the most popular programs on computer are MS Word, Notepad, WordPad, etc. We use them very frequently. Now, today we will read about MS Word 2010. But first, we have to know what is word processing software. Let's start. A word processing software is a type of software used to create text document. It also allows you to add pictures. We can make any change in the text, and we can also change the appearance of the text. You can change the color of the text. You can change the font of the text. There are various options available. Some popular word processing software are MS Word, Notepad, WordPad, and OpenOffice Writer. You can see that I have written some of them on board: MS Word, Notepad, WordPad. So today we are going to read about a word processing software. Now, today's second topic is uses of word processing software. What can we do with a word processing software? We will read about it. Please look at your book. We can type text document and add pictures. We can type any kind of document with the help of these softwares, and we can also add pictures to it. Rectify the text while typing and after typing. You will have two options. You can rectify your text while you are typing and also after you have done typing. The computer also shows you many grammatical and spelling checks while you use these kind of softwares. Let's look into the other points. Change the look of the typed text. Add different symbols, characters, and even pictures in between the text. As I was saying, you can change the whole appearance of the text according to your choice. You can change the color, you can change the font, etc. And you can also add picture, which is a great feature. Highlight text can change the color of the text and make text bold, italics, and underline. You can change the color of the text. You can also change the appearance of the text. You can make it bold, you can make it italics, or you can also underline certain text. You can add tables, check spelling as well as grammar. Add page numbers, bullets, borders, and much more. If you want to add any kind of table, you can. If you want to add page number, bullet, numbering, you can do this in these word processing softwares. So, they are very useful for us. Now, we will move on to the next page. Now, please open page number 39. Today's third topic is what is MS Word? Microsoft Word or MS Word is the most popular word processing software available these days. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. It is used to write letters, notes, stories, assignments, and much more. So, as I was telling you, it is one of the most used program on computer. Now, we will move on to the fourth topic, that is how to start MS Word. There are 4 steps to open MS Word. Step 1. Click on the Start button. You can find the Start button on the desktop. Step 2. Click on All Programs. When you will click on the Start button, a list will appear and you will click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Then you have to click on Microsoft Office option. Now you will have another list. From there, you have to click on Microsoft Word 2010. In this way, you can open MS Word on your computer. Let's look into the flowchart. First, Start. Then you have to go to All Program. Then you have to click on Microsoft Office, and next you have to click on Microsoft Word 2010. So these are the 4 steps to open MS Word. Now we will move on to the next page. Now we will read page number 40 of your book. So please open page number 40. Our last topic for today will be components of MS Word 2010. After discussing the components, I will show you a picture of all the components of MS Word window in the end. So let's start. The first component of MS Word is title bar. Now what is title bar? Let's look. It is a horizontal bar present on the top of the window. It has 3 options: quick access toolbar, name of the document, and control buttons. What are the control buttons? Minimize, restore, maximize, and close. So this was the title bar. You can find it at the very top of your screen when you open MS Word. It will show you the document's name that you are working upon. Now, we will read about the second component, that is File tab. File tab helps you to open, save, create, and print a Word document. You can also do many other tasks with the help of File tab. So, File tab gives you the option to create a document, to save a document, and to print a document. There are many other options available. Now, the third component, that is quick access toolbar. What is it? It is present at the top left corner of title bar. It shows the commands you use quite often. For example, save, undo, and repeat commands appear on the quick access toolbar. So, you can find it on the left corner of your screen. It will show you your most used commands. Now the fourth component, that is ribbon. Ribbon. What is it? It is located just below quick access toolbar and contains different tabs and groups to perform different functions. You can find it just below the quick access toolbar. Now the fifth component, that is ruler. What does ruler do in MS Word? MS Word 2010 has two rulers, a horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. They are similar to the scale which you use. They help to show page margin, typesetting and indent. Just as we use rulers to draw margins on our copies, in the same manner, these rulers helps you to draw the margin, to set the margin of your document. Now, the sixth component is help button. As you can understand from the name, it helps you in different cases. The help button is used to get help related to MS Word anytime you like. It provides a nice tutorial on various subjects related to Word. If you are a new user of MS Word and it is seeming quite difficult to you, then you should use help button. That will give you a nice tutorial to the various uses of MS Word. Now we will discuss the other components, and they are mentioned on page number 41. So please open page number 41. Now we will discuss the last few components of MS Word. Please look at page number 41. The seventh component is zoom control. What is it? Zoom control helps you to get a closer look at your text. The zoom control consists of a slider that you can slide left or right to zoom in or zoom out the text. Just like we can zoom the photos on phones, likewise MS Word also has zoom control. You can slide left and right to zoom in and to zoom out. Now, number 8, scroll bar. What is it? This option is used to move the screen up and down, or left or right. There are two scroll bars present on the Word screen. The horizontal scroll bar is used to move the screen right or left. The vertical scroll bar used to move the screen up or down. So there are two scroll bars, horizontal one and vertical one. Okay. Now, number 9, view buttons. View buttons are the group of 5 buttons found on the left of the zoom control near the bottom of the screen. It lets you choose from various view buttons provided with MS Word 2010. These views are print layout view, full screen reading view, web layout view, outline view, and draft view. So, there are 5 views available. I am repeating them. They are print layout view, full screen reading view, web layout view, outline view, and draft view. Now, number 10, work area. This area is used to type text in MS Word. The blinking vertical line on the screen is called the cursor. It represents the location where the text will appear when you type. And the last one is status bar. What is it? This bar contains detailed information about the document like the current page number, word count, and much more. So, we have 11 components discussed in this chapter. I will provide a picture of these components to you. Please look carefully to that picture.